How to send large videos on Gmail from your mobile device. So first you will need to use Google Drive. If you don't have it already, you'll need to download it and install it. And once you install it, you will need to open the Google Drive application. Now you will need to press on this plus sign right here and click on upload. Now you want to look for the video in your mobile device. Now once you find the video, click on it and then click on upload and just wait for it to upload the video to your Google Drive. Now once the video is completed or uploaded in your Google Drive, you want to open your Gmail application. And now if you're composing an email, you'll simply type the email to, and you want to type the subject, and basically you want to include the video right here. So you want to click on this attach icon on the top next to the send button, and you want to choose Drive, and it will open up your Google Drive. Now select the video that we have uploaded recently, which is the first one right here. Click on select, and once the video is attached, you want to type maybe your email content right here, and then simply click on send and wait for it to send the email. And since I sent it to myself, I can see it right here. If I open it, I can see the video, and I can click on it to download it or watch the video on the browser or the mobile device. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.